Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and today on our holiday we are going on a helicopter ride, so really excited about that. I think it goes for about an hour, so we're just about to leave and it should be really exciting I should say. We'll get as much footage as we can, so come along with us.
Two black ones, that's all.
So abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too, 'cause baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. No baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too, 'cause baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny.
Hi everyone, we are back from a helicopter ride. It was amazing, it was worth it. I sat in front, you know, every time it sort of banked one way, you'd be like, oh, don't know about that, but it was really, really good. I could highly recommend it. And now Peter and I can tick that off our bucket list. Don't forget everyone, Ada loves style. See you next time. Bye.